Hello my little kids. Welcome back to my class. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will start our class with this beautiful rhyme. Let's sing it together. Have you enjoyed it? Yes, that's very good. Kids, now you know how to write letters A and B. And today we are going to learn how to write the letters C and D. Let's go! Thank you so much kids for today's class. Hope you have enjoyed it. Practice the letters A, B, C and D in your English copy with the help of your parents. See you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.
Write A, B, C, D 5 times in your English copy.